Hey again, one final thing I want to tell you. You see this calculator that we have it already is not appear the same as our calculator because you see they have little bit spacing between one button and another. So we could do that by adding padding between objects. You say, hey, I have this row, which is this row in the design. I say, okay, I have it, this one. I say, hey, this row I needed to have object padding. I say not padding because padding is not good. Margin is better. Because padding you know that between internally, but say margin button, that means the object under it, say 1pt, just 1pt, and just close it and you add it for the second row also, and close it, add it to the third row also, and close it, add it fourth rows also, and close it, and this one doesn't need. Now I think the columns, if you see these rows, so now that means one button and other. You say, hey, I need to have padding between this button and the second button in percent, like 1% between one another, not too much, like 1 between me and the second one, then 1 between this one and that one. I say, hey, need 1 pt, but not layout margin. I say margin for the right side, so margin for the right side, add 1 please. Okay, then I do it for the second button also, and the third button also. I don't think fourth button need, because fourth button already like been with the second row, so, or with the end. So this one also, hey, go add 1 for me, add 1 for me. Now 3 of them, just go to the third rows and do same process. This row, here is it, add 1, 1, 1, bam 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 bam. I would do the last one, which is this one, add 1 row, 1. Just make the design nicer. Well, we didn't change anything, like still same everything. So now here you go, this is the last layout, which is this one and that one. Okay, I think it's sound good, but one thing I need to do just to show you the layout is the layout appear exactly the way that I wanted, because here did they add around also? No, they don't add around, they just add between the objects. So just I will click this one because I did not update everything, I just updated the XML, so the XML, that one will be enough. So you will see like just spacing between objects. Person who want to use my buttons, he need to know where he have to click. He don't need just, hey, this is 0. Where is the boundary of 0? I don't know. Maybe I click here and he's still taking 0, or maybe click here, he's still taking 0. So just adding boundary between object is good. So which is this one. So yes, everything sounds cool. We done. Thank you for watching.